this is what we got.
Yeah.
We are building a portable greenhouse from Amazon. So, as you can see, my husband back here is pulling out all the pieces. So, wish us luck that we can get this done in a timely manner and have a nice little greenhouse to plant our
Plants.
Well, we're gonna plant Madison.
Grandma, there's a bug under here. Smack it. First, cheese.
Yep. And we're gonna plant some popcorn, right?
Popcorn.
We're gonna plant some popcorn because Maddie loves popcorn.
I don't want to wash them
Oh no, we won't have them tonight. No, it has to grow first.
It will take a few days.
It's a process. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Of course, the packages are not marked. Yep. Are these the same size?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Chase, come on. So we have our 16 to 17. Where's that one come from? This one? This one is 19.
You want me and Madison to copy that?
Okay, so change of plans. It's too friggin' hot outside, and it's 10:30. It's too hot to build this thing outside, so we brought it in here into my office, and we're gonna build it. So excuse all the mess. Over here in this corner is 2 more raised beds that I ordered for when I do my planting next.
Can I copy this?
You can try. So yeah, so we're inside the house in my office right now. Hopefully the lighting's good, which I think it is.
Here, Mom.
So
Which pieces are these? I don't know which pieces.
those pieces are right there,
Okay.
which I don't think that's what you need next. Papa knows what he's doing now, so we're gonna wait and let him do it.
3, 4. Then 2 twos.
I just looked at my Alexa thing on my desk over there, and it says it's 83 right now. Look, my hair is starting to do all kinds of stuff. Start frizzing up on me. Anyway, yeah. Well, Ian?
No. Come on, we got to do this right.
All right, let Papa tell you what to hand to him, okay?
I'll show you how to do it. What are these pieces by themselves? These two? Those ones on those? I know, we don't need it yet though. We're going to do it, that's going to be the other corner, okay?
So this week, I made a little list of things that I wanted to do to get done this weekend, and one of them was to build the portable greenhouse. I've got all of our seeds that we've got to get planted, and that's why we have the greenhouse, and that's why I haven't done the seeds, because I was waiting on the greenhouse because I didn't want to leave them inside of my dining room table. And I got some beautiful roses I picked up on clearance maybe 2 weekends ago at Walmart. I want to get those planted. I want to do my green stock, my little thing, and get that done, and clean the house. That's on my to-do list this weekend. So, and I'm going to get it all done.
Is this one you seen?
Yes,
Mom, you started?
I did.
Something right.
That's why I was looking for this earlier.
This one, same one?
Because you need to
Is that
start
the
it.
same one? Yeah.
Because, like, you didn't want to have to keep walking off the grandpa's
Are there 2 more of these? 1 more of these?
Yeah, but you just.
Yes.
The same. You see this one's bigger. It's taller.
But this is,
That's
sure
good.
that's the same?
Why don't you just try it out and see if it works?
I mean, that's a corner piece.
No.
Oh, well then you've got the bigger tees here. This one right here.
Yeah.
That's what goes here, just like
Those go
this.
here.
Yes,
All right, sure.
but
And then
it's
another
the
one?
same as you got right there. So yeah,
Another one here?
yes.
Now, I think these 2 go on those 2 corners.
I'll put it in.
They're already on the corner.
Oh, that's the same.
Yeah. What? That's
I'm getting
whatever you have left is going to probably be for the top,
Oh, yeah.
for the corner at the top.
Those are going to be for
All right,
the
so I
top.
need the small
We
one
don't
here.
need those yet. Those are going to be for the top.
Right.
Yeah, it's going to be for I'm starting to understand. Because they're going to be those at the top.
Here.
Yeah, the big one's going to be on the top, Grandma.
I know.
It's going to be on the top.
Grandma knows. And then Scott, you got to put the one long one there, right behind you. Right? Is that the one?
There's only, no.
That's for the top.
Oh,
Yeah,
right behind you,
that's
on top,
for the
that's
top.
behind you.
Oh, there we go. So, where do I put this one? It was like a big top boy.
I'm not sure yet, but I think we
this
need
one-
the small ones.
I think like this one is the top.
I think it's top part, yeah.
That's the top, so we won't need that for a while. Which we should have like some.
All right, we've got to get the tees up here.
Okay, now the key, probably the regular ones.
You should have 4 corners left, and you don't, unless they're mixed in there.
Grandma, so what I'm thinking is, this is gonna be taller,
They got
right?
mixed up somehow.
At least the one on the first shelf. Yeah, look. Grandma, once
Here's
we
one.
get, Grandma,
Here's one.
Yes, Chase.
once we get the
Here's
first
one.
shelf
Hand me
done,
those.
wait. Once we get the first shelf done, we just gotta repeat that 2 more
Alright,
times.
is that
Yeah,
4
it's
of them?
yes.
It's easy.
It's
That's-
just
that's the
a
last 4.
process.
We don't need those right now.
It should be quick and
Now it's
easy
just
now.
Straight up now.
Yeah, now it's just straight up.
This one's gonna go.
How's it go, like this? Yeah, I think like that. Yeah, like that. Because it could
Yep,
go up.
You're right. You're right.
There you go. So we just need it. Papa. I'll put it on this one too. Papa, I go like that, Grandma.
Yep, just like this.
Big,
Turn it. Trace it
like
that.
here. There you go. Perfect.
Papa,
Did it.
Papa, Papa,
Oh,
it-
Grandpa, this one's.
Papa.
One of the small ones. One.
Oh, well, something's not right here.
Okay.
Turn
Grandpa,
it.
What is it?
Grandpa,
Yeah, that's right.
do these need to go over here too?
Okay, something. Okay, wait.
Oh, Grandpa, these
Something
need
ain't
to go.
right. Hold on.
Why?
Grandpa,
Look at it. Look at
this
it.
one too.
I guess that's right.
Well, I guess we just got to push it down all the way. That's probably the problem, is I'm not pushing
Yeah,
or
that's probably.
I'm already getting this done.
make sure
That's
that
right.
just no, yeah, you're right because you have to put the pole there.
You're right. Yeah, you're right.
It's going to be one of these things, honey. One of these.
I thought that's what I just had, didn't I?
Like this.
Oh, I had it on wrong? That's maybe.
You have it on
Grandma,
the wall.
Grandma, does this go like this?
Chase, I don't know.
Now pull that
Just
on.
kinda
That
wing
one's
it
wrong
like
too.
this.
You got to I'm not quite sure what you got going on here.
I don't really know
I
either,
messed up,
okay?
I messed up.
This goes like this, Scott. Look, make sure these go outward.
Alright.
There we go. Now it's starting to look like a greenhouse.
All right.
That one behind you.
Like a big submarine. Grandma, it kind of looks.
That's too big. What do you mean put that behind me? I need a small one for here. That's too big.
That's too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too big.
They're over there in the bag behind you.
Oh, I'll grab them. I'll grab them.
Oh.
He just grabs one. Boy, this video is going to be having a lot of editing.
Yeah. There you go. Got one done.
Look, Grandma, see mommy one.
Something. You don't look like
Oh yeah, I can do the other side for you, Grandma.
Thank you.
Like,
No,
it has
that's
to be
going to
a
be a
long
long one. Papa's got those.
I need that.
No, wait a minute.
It looks like a greenhouse.
Yeah, that one.
Behind you, behind you.
Wait, Grandma, look, Grandma, I have a playing machine.
Wait a minute. That's
Something
not
ain't
right.
here.
That's not right.
No, exactly. These are not the right side. These are.
Oh, these go this way.
Yeah, those go that way.
This is the long one here.
Those
So you should
go
have-
that way.
You should have 2 of these.
We need. Oh, I think there's more over here. That is.
No, it's not.
It's too
Oh,
big.
no, we got something in the wrong spot.
Can I have another?
Oh, I think they're right here. They're
No,
right
that's for the top.
Oh,
Yeah, that's on the top.
Here. Where did it go? I'm missing some.
Oh, it might be have to go like
I'm
this.
missing one.
Like this.
probably got in the wrong spot or something. I don't know.
Well, these are 2s. It says it on the bag as 2s. So where do the 2s go?
The twos, I think they go right here.
No, we gotta go there.
Oh, I know where the twos go. Grandma, hand me the twos. I know
Yeah,
where
the
they go.
2s go on the sides. We're doing this part right. It shows it on the paper.
Yeah, I'm just.
Oh, good, Grandma, let me
Those
help
go
you.
right there.
Let me help you.
But we need a long one for this, but we don't know where
I
that
got it for you.
Grandma, I think we need a 2 right there.
We still got something wrong.
Papa, my doll is Papa, my doll is wet. She's wet. Teacher, my doll is wet. She's wet.
We need to do the top. That's not yet ready yet.
We need.
That's why I was trying to put it on. That's how it's going to be. Yes.
And I think we got one more layer on, don't we?
I'm
not?
on the pool.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're right.
But these are supposed to go right here. That's the question.
Do we have enough pieces for everything?
Let's see if these on the same.
Yeah, see if they're the same. See if they're the same.
Yeah, I've got mine up. My
Oh,
4
yeah.
are up. It's yours.
They don't look the same.
That one's different.
All right. You need this, Scott. You need this.
I'm pretty sure that one's these are the same.
I'll put this in.
This one goes to your left, right?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, go.
We are almost done.
This is different.
Oh yeah, I just hung my
Come
toe.
on.
And help this.
Hold it.
Scott, one of those are going to go on the back somewhere.
What?
Yep. So we've got to. On a second. Okay. Yep. So.
We're missing one of these.
Oh, for Christ's sakes.
Does that look right or not? Why is that? Is that right in the back?
Yours? Nope. You got to do it like this because
Yeah,
there's
why
going to be a
did you
bar.
do that?
I don't know.
Grandma, very cool. Grandma, very cool.
Is it?
Yeah,
Am I gonna go get something to eat? I'm hungry.
Me too.
So
Yours is wrong here too.
something's wrong.
Okay. No. That needs to be a longer. Something's. Where's the longer pieces? Over there. Something's not right. This doesn't go here. This goes on this side.
Yeah. But I need take these corners out, I guess.
Nope, this isn't right. This one's right. This one goes here, but there's still, we have an extra piece. Yeah, something's wrong over here. You got a long piece here. Should be this piece. That's a long piece. So, yep. I think. I don't know. Hold on.
Second. Here.
Yep.
Grandma, guess what we found in there?
What?
Grandma, guess.
What, Chase? Oh, peanut butter pretzels.
Oh, it's got the-
Papa, did you
Where's your?
Oh, Grandma,
Let me have that.
Here you go.
Madison, come on, eat.
that?
Like this, Scott.
Oh, I got it. No?
But I will try to keep.
That piece will. Those two pieces will go there. You're right on that.
Eat it.
No, those are corner pieces.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
What do you got in
I
your
don't have
hand?
corner pieces. There's no more corner pieces here. I mean, no more. Alright,
This goes here. On the inside.
you sure?
I'm
Papa,
positive.
did you do a
Alright,
peanut
well-
butter pretzel?
It's not the same.
That one's wrong.
The one over there.
Wait.
How many more corners we got? Like this. You guys get a mess everywhere. Here, okay?
Scott,
It's one.
where's the paper? This.
These are alright. Do we have 4 corners like this?
I think they might have sent an extra bar because there's no bar that goes there because that's the open. That's what I did wrong. Put this one on there.
I got peanut butter pretzels.
I have one.
Ooh.
You shouldn't have one.
Grandma, did you have peanut butter pretzels?
Mm-hmm.
I got peanut butter pretzels.
Okay.
I like
So-
them. I
So I
got
need a-
pretzels.
You need one there. That's
One
right.
of
That's
these.
for the roof. And I guess there's extra pieces.
Maybe.
It's an extra piece.
That's why we're all.
Maybe they go on top of it somewhere.
Whoa!
Oh, yep, they do. They do. That's where they go. They connect at the top.
Oh, wait, Grandma, I think they go like here.
This actually is going to be the bar to come in the middle. Yep, that's what's going to connect it.
Alright, so
Let's get the round ones on. Those things right there.
No touching. Over to you.
Make sure everything's pushed down.
like this.
That's what I'm going to
Where they
I
go
want
down
some.
or how they go?
It's going to go. Oh, just hold on. No, that's not it. The corner is going to go. The crooked piece or whatever you want to call it's going to go there. I don't know what the hell you and Chase did, but you pieces are not tight.
They're tight.
Let me see it.
I made myself.
Well, why did I just have to push that one in? It was out. Go ahead.
Like that?
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Must have an extra piece.
No, we're not. It's going to go here, honey. That's what I was telling you a minute ago. It's going to go like this. Probably a good idea to do this before you put this up, so you get it in there. Let's take these down.
Oh, that's.
Take them down. Go ahead. See?
That's your fault.
I know, honey. Grandma's got it.
That's your fault.
Because that way you can get them in there tight.
That's your fault. I didn't do anything.
No.
I didn't do anything.
Well, I didn't say you did, honey.
I didn't do anything. You did that.
All right.
You
Oh,
just
do you need help?
Yeah, you can do this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Guys, we're gonna redo. Got it.
No, I'm going to put it down like this.
Well, that looks like a corner piece. Like the mom.
Mm-hmm.
What do we do?
Why is it lopsided a weird way?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put
Come on.
Yes.
Well, you know you don't have to use every piece.
Yes, I just got to twist them to where they sit in right.
Okay. I gotta go down. We have five.
We might have to end up taking this apart to. I don't know. It should go out that door. See this end over here. This piece. This seems crooked to me.
Hey, you can
There
get
it goes.
over.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! It feels like a greenhouse. How we put
All right, let's take a.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
We're
Alright,
doing
time for
funny.
beer.
Beer.
I'm just teasing.
Come on.
Actually, it is. What time is it?
It's 11:14. The kids are putting the little racks on now,
Grandma,
and I think that I was.
Grandma.
Yes.
this one's not going in.
Yeah, I think some of these we don't have them shoved in all the way because it's.
I did Grandma.
There we go. So
I did.
good job. So I'm gonna have Scott. He's looking for zip ties. We're gonna zip tie these so they stay secure. All right. So see, Chase.
Because we don't want them to fall off in the middle of the night and break the plants.
Right.
Come on.
Hey! What did you do?
Grandma didn't mean to do it. I'm just trying to pull these in.
And my balcony doors. No.
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's okay.
Grandma,
You're a tough cookie.
this greenhouse is light.
It is. Like I said, it's nothing. It's not the greatest. It's what Papa and Grandma could afford to do what we want it to do.
How much is it?
Grandma,
It was a little over $100, I think.
Grandma, I can't.
Okay, well, hold on.
Well, I see how it's a little over $100.
Hold on, Maddie. It's because the tubes aren't pushed in all the way.
Oh yeah.
No, it's
Hold on.
Oh yeah. I thought
Yeah, that side's not.
No, I'm
Oh.
not gonna bleach
Grandma
it.
can zip tie it.
Watch out. Step through.
Wait.
No, we it.
There.
Whoa, look, Grandma.
If we...
Yeah.
Grandma, now we gotta start putting the net on once Grandpa
Zip ties this. Yes.
Madison, can you make sure these don't fall while I go help Grandpa?
Not sure how long we've been at this, but
Hey, Grandma,
we did stop and
Yes.
start, so
Here we go, Grandma.
because there's no reason for you guys to see all the.
Grandma, here you go.
Okay, thank you. We're gonna zip tie those first, okay? Yeah, this is the green. This is the covering for the greenhouse.
Yep.
We did it. Yep. That's all, honey. It doesn't have to be anything big. Just as long as it.
Make sure they stay down.
And I would do
It's so big.
like 1, 2,
Whoa, look at it.
Yeah, those should be good.
maybe do like
It doesn't matter. Those are wrong.
4 on each side if you can.
Oh.
I can cut them, honey. If you just put them on, I can. Oh, you got it? Okay.
Can I start unwrapping this?
I would probably wait because we probably want to do it.
I'll start. Because we still.
I did the same fucking thing.
It's tickling you.
You may have some, honey, and I'll help.
Stop it. Going to the greenhouse?
Yeah, we do it. We do it. Papa, are you almost done?
Not yet. You gotta put the lid on it. Put the lid on that, Madison, please.
Yeah. What are
Put the
they?
lid on that.
Okay. Then I put in the pencil.
Okay.
This
I
one here is
wrap
gonna
that.
be raw.
Hey, no. One more and now you're done. Now you're done. Eat one more, take one more.
I'll get a couple more.
What's the problem?
Now you're done. No more.
You can have as many as you want. Just keep the lid on it.
Put that in the pencil. Let me put it in the pen.
What I see on your board thing, I do not see a greenhouse.
I didn't know I needed it till I started doing the seeds and stuff, son, and realizing that I didn't have space.
You know,
They were on the piano by my water.
Look at them. No, they have to be over here. There we go. Awesome. Look at them.
I'm doing 3. This doesn't seem like it's holding down very
I'll
well.
go look where
well,
my
they're not tight yet.
Papa, I can see you. Hi. Hi. You can't go in my house.
My house.
I can see you. To hit our house. Yep. Grandma, you can get our house. And our house. There we go. There we go.
What are y'all doing there?
We are playing house.
That's not a house.
Teacher, we can get.
It looks like a house.
Papa, let them be. They're not going to mess it up. They're just sitting there.
I can see you.
Hee-hoo,
I can see you. Hee-hoo, I can see you. Hee-hoo, I can see you.
I'm gonna open the door.
Open the
Well,
door.
I'm on the cabinet.
Oh no, it's somebody's house. Hey, get out.
Get out of our house.
Get out. Good. Teacher, we got put Eskimo.
Okay. We go back on.
No, we are house. Teacher, we go to it.
You're going to tighten them up, right, honey? I'm just putting them on.
Yeah.
Is this one I can use? No.
Come on. This was the one where we couldn't get Madison. Here we go.
No, there we go. Oh, we get them.
What's the matter, buddy? You hot? But
Oh, so. Let me right there.
It can't. You can't break it. You can't.
No.
What's the problem?
Grandma.
This up. And I have to keep fixing it.
No, not like that.
well, we'll fix it when we get down there with the zip ties.
Like
That.
it goes like this.
No.
It goes like this.
Madison, calm down.
Madison, it can't go like this. It can't go like that. It's supposed to go like this.
No, it has a big
It only goes
apple
one
like
way.
that.
How would have a big apple like this, Madison? It doesn't make sense.
It was like a big triangle. So that's value.
It's supposed to be a triangle, Madison. What do you think it's supposed to be, an oval?
Or a square. A square. Well, can we have a weighing machine?
No, not right now, honey, because we're doing this in here.
I need to get out the secret door. Teacher, you can get in my house.
Yes, okay.
No, you can't. Get out. Get out. Get out. He's down now. Pew, pew, pew.
Mostly my stuff.
Owl house.
Scotty.
Gatty wish. Gatty wish. Whippatty. 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 I see you. Whippatty. I see you. I see you. How did you do it?
Well, you're saying that Balusa when we're over here sweating.
Who want to? Who? Chichi can give a hand if want. What?
Nope. I'm in. What?
Pew 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 pew.
Oh. Shut my door. Lock my door. You can't come in now. Lock. Shut it. Lock it. Shut it. Lock it. Now you can't come in.
Come on. Ah!
You can't come in. You can't come in.
What's the problem?
I said you can't come in.
You say cake. No.
Hey. Hey.
Hey! Get me off.
Hey, you're going through the back door. You need to go through the front door.
Nino.
It's my mouse.
Pew 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 pew.
I'm a monster.
Grandma, Grandma.
Yes, Maddie, yes.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
No, I'm not. You don't. Grandma doesn't even have the video proof.
I'm not gonna come.
Yeah, I do. It's going.
No, it's not. I'll do it. I'll do it.
I got it, son.
You don't know how. It's too old for you.
Chase, get out of the way, please.
All right, Scott, I need you to do the bottom. And then,
Get that one done. Grandma, you need to get this zip tie. Grandma, can I have a zip tie?
Chase, I got this, okay?
here, taste.
I want it done a certain way.
I know, I'm probably doing it wrong.
Don't do it, Chase, okay? I'm not joking with you. Don't
Honey,
do it.
Chase, do this one up here. It's not a big deal.
It's already done.
No, I need one in the middle. I feel like we need tighter or bigger ones or something. Or maybe when you tighten it, maybe that's what I'm just not tightening it enough. Yo, yours looks better. Okay, you have to go a certain direction with it.
Mommy wants to go that way.
So, we have the greenhouse done. Here it is.
Of course, I'm going to get some stakes to secure it to the ground. And my original thought was to attach it to the fence so it would be more sturdier, but I'd have to put holes in the cover, and I'm not going to do that.
Grandma,
You can unzip those.
Madison's inside the greenhouse. You can, Grandma, it looks so cool because it's like tiny little squares.
So that's our little greenhouse right there. It took us forever to get it together, but it's done. Now on to the next project is getting the seeds planted. I'm going to go ahead and apologize up front because I think this video is longer than what it should be, but and I don't know if I did a proper introduction. If I didn't, I'm sorry, but this is the greenhouse that I ordered off of Amazon a couple weeks back, sometime in June. It just got here, I think, on Tuesday, and so I'm utilizing this greenhouse to get my seeds started for my next planting.
Come on, let's go get
So
ice cream.
I'll link the price down below, and I'll actually link where I got it on Amazon, but I think it was around $100 or a little less, so not too bad to do what I need it to do. So thank you all so much for joining me today, and sorry with all the